signal, coulda never two. Who dare to take my place? Coulda never you. Cap them boy they a cap, coulda never true. Man a hustle hard for the greens, give me the callaloo. Benjamin face man a spend money with the blue. Haters a watch, can't stop it when them see the crew. Y'all them see me and get crazy, stick like a glue. Badness when we pull up, what you gonna do?
Look ya no people, my head not even stay good in the morning ya. Cause my head have fever.
We not invite them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright now, may I tell you now, people. Rather somehow dirty heart labor right now, you see me? When you see right through the year till the next 5 year time again. You see anybody when knows say them are labor. Look where me living now, see it? Look for me house now, no long me live here so. Me live here so more than 8 years, see it? Well, want to fix up. When you look for my place, I suffer and I need the answer. So you see all I labor right there, me I make sure tell you know. You see if you no bumbo clad come see me and beg me not no right through the year problem I go to there. You see, because I tell you, so we tired of sufferation now. I can't believe, say, I see him blood clot party we are going to work on now, you know. So what are going to happen to you now in Jamaica? Eh? We are going to on one level, same way. But you don't have to remember, say, me well smart and brilliant. So me still have to rise anyway, take it. But a million more are going to left on one level and I suffer. And I go start war against one another.
My head have fever in it. And you know why? I come out to come talk a little bit too no this morning for my TikTok. I don't know, you know. But there's a spell in this island, Jamaica. And me I go tell you why me say so. The madness when me see these people are endorse, them people can't in a them right mind and I do them foolishness, yeah. Come here, Andrew Holness, come to the forefront, cause me is a single mother of 4. And when me I send my 4 go school, me no see no part, me no see you, me say big nose, sweet pepper, ugly pussy, eye, red, ugly copper color, corruption, dirty bad mind, man. Send your dirty minion, police boy, them come, cause me no afraid of you. Nor them, cause revolution have to take in a this country of your dog shit like you. You come here, inflation rate a John way. When we are work, can't pay we bills, we can't buy food, put power with table for feed with hungry belly pitney them. You never breed we know. So that's why no for we no want stand up in a your stinking free line for your dirty hungry belly part. Cause $2,000 can't feed nobody around you. So when you're going to supermarket with 10 grand, it can't even buy 10 pound of rice and 10 pound of flour and liquor sitting for cook with it. Look, you're not dirty man. And when you take black people for drunko, for you coming up power, people are dead for hungry. Thief in rise we up because people can't feed them family, them are for a thief. Dirty man. How will you take with her? And them little dunce, dirty nasty, hungry belly, labor right, fuck ya, we put you in a power. Feel like say, I joke this, Uno feel like I joke this, uno know wanna put enough people through, Or if you uno rules say, look you know, me grow old school, uno rules say in our rule book, uno workers rule book, go look for no, uno say 1 week I will pay a check for cover we blasted rent, light bill and water rate, and now for we now work not even quarter we fucking light bill and water rate a week. You understand that? And that are the progress you put in our country. We now on a road, and when you look at little idiot jackass, them the pan bandwagon and make up nice boy shower. Donkey track when me a little girl in her 80s look better than them your fucking road ya where you put ya. Go back again. You bring Chinese come here, come build road, and I charge you for drive for go with fucking yard. Portmore have it own a road, and people at Portmore have to pay for go them yard because of you. Little done said dirty boy. If you can't run the country, what make you not lift up? Make you not lift up teeth in, boy. Cause you not do nothing you stuff for me, no. Me not give a fuck when nobody else want to say. You not do nothing you stuff for me, nah. Nobody for me, no. You not know none of my people, them in no line a come collect your free fuckery. Cause we no licky, we no walk with we belly and we hand for your blood clot pittance where you choky people for vote. You come a black road pan people with police for no go fucking vote. Is that fairness? I saw you win your election, dirty boy. You a thief, you only know for thief, you can't play a fair game, dirty batty boy.
Bang the line, then we build Chandra. Cybercrime, we study art and craft. Fly, we fly when the Benz drive past. Manly sheer and Annie and Sam Sharp. Bang the line, then we build Chandra. Cybercrime, we study art and craft. Fly, we fly when the Benz drive past. Manly sheer and Annie and Sam Sharp. Gal Chris put through down the ballon.
Andrew, so Holness. You know, I have to ask you a question again. If it's not my birth, make me a Jamaican. What make me a Jamaican? The choice that I make? Or the X that I make? No, Andrew, man. John know me general. And know me have Peter beat me in my ribs and my neck, you know. I can't believe a man like the eye say that out of the eye mouth. That means that the eye is not a Jamaican then. Cause the eye make a wrong choice. Cause if you say that and you do certain thing, brother, you have to know the speech them way you make, man. You should have rehearsed it again, man. And you see me, born Jamaican. And you see me, original, authentic, organic Jamaican. And you see me, personally, me not have to make no choice to be Jamaican. Me not have to make no X to be Jamaican. I mean, I have to be in a no party to be Jamaican. I was born in Jamaica as a Jamaican. I am in a hospital, I born in Andrew. I born in my house down a Staten Trelawney. In a Staten Trelawney, I done this and me born. Me a authentic, original Jamaican. You hear me say me general? So, what do I say still? Me now.
Holness, kneel. You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. You hear? Paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club of them TV. Feeder scale is out here. You hear? Holness! You myself know. Come on, baby, make me kneel it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock. You hear? Kneel. Club of them TV. You hear? Holness.
I tell a lie, me not really like that. I not dig that kid. I not dig that kid. And I should apologize to Jamaican people and for that little thing that they say. Me not respond to nothing more what you say now. What you say that what you say, I need all Jamaican people an apology to make a speech like that. And you see the little people who are jumping as a rare. But me telling you this, uno lucky. Uno may be a Jamaican, but me, born in Jamaica, grew up in Jamaica, run up and down in Jamaica. So me teaching you this. No man can tell me no little hanky-panky talk to make me feel like say, me have to make a choice to be Jamaican. No. I don't have to make no choice to be Jamaican. I don't have to make no vote for no political party to be a Jamaican. The I have check himself and the I have apologize to Jamaica for that little speech that I make. For real, no bargain a deal, it's sealed. Whippademus. Really serious. Andrew drop asleep, me I beg you to wake up. It no babblish.
Yeah, me have a message to give Andrew Holness right, you know. Andrew Holness, listen me, you know. You see, bird will fly too fast, always fly past them blood clotness. And here we go on. And you rob citizen. So you just get fucked, you rob yourself out of Prime Minister. So here we go on. A long time I tell you, say, anyway your blood clot feather them drop out a day all land. So by 12 o'clock tonight, all I feather them a drop out and y'all land a one blood clot page. All let me tell you, brother, make sure you have doctor by your side, you hear? Make sure you have doctor by your side. Cause guess what I go on? When you lose all this, you see it to blood clot, I know say there is no more repeat. Bye-bye.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and done. Me no care who a get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go drop and brum. The war start and I got done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try. Pull up after you and I first na relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a time out.